Hey guys, so I've got lit here, LIT, on the 4 hours as a potential idea. This for me is strictly spot or tiny leverage, and it's more of like a hodl to move up to the higher ranges. Reason I like it is because it's just put in the biggest, at least on the futures chart, the biggest sell volume on that red candle there, and we're not underneath it at the moment, but we did drop underneath it and then found support. I could try and make sense of this. Um, so it's got several levels of support that I've marked out with white, and from the recent levels we had a deviation underneath, I guess is what you call it, from RT or stop punt, and we went right from the very top, so it literally stop punted the highs all the way down to wipe every bugger out and take out at least a proper double bottom, or I can't tell, maybe it even stop punted that, but it looks pretty much bang on. So it looks like it's getting controlled, is what my point is. And the last time we came down to this level here was after a pretty significant pullback, and then we went all the way up to the highs. So again, we've come down, we've actually gone under that level, and then we've pushed up. And what I'm thinking is, if it's going to move impulsively, it can do something at least like this. And I'm going to run out of time, so I'm going to continue this in the next video.